Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a handy feature of the Gmail app that many users may not know about. If you've ever needed to find a photo shared in a Gmail space, we've got you covered with this updated guide. Let's walk through the steps together to quickly locate your shared photos. First, start by opening the Gmail app on your Android device. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom of the screen to find the Chat tab and tap on it. This will lead you to your chats and spaces. Now, open the specific space where your photos were shared. Next, it's time to tap on the space name at the top of the screen. This brings you to the main space details. Now, look for the Shared Media option and tap on it. This is where all the shared photos live. And there you have it. You can now see all the photos you've shared in that space and easily find what you're looking for. This feature makes it super convenient to revisit those memories or important images. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.